Thank you. Hey. Nah.
Yeah.
Your face look family. Are you a movie actor?
Yes. I was acting before I traveled. You know? Once an actor is always an actor, you know. Yeah.
I don't look you. Ochaga memo chafim, memo chankete. So this must be your chafim. If I tell you one film go, there is one of your film where I look the other day. Where they kill you, you die. Some walk around here, my fine boy is gone.
I did not die for real, man.
I'm gonna go, Mama. You know how to die. My chick won't go talk. I'm there. I am in our ocean nanya. So when I betrothed onto it, no cry, no one movie. Oh, yeah,
of course, it's a movie. Please, my Uber guy just dropped me somewhere there. I'm actually looking for a hotel.
Hot tea. Hey, you got fair, name hot tea. The name hot tea wouldn't die book. You come shy car now. We go take. You don't pass behind they do hot tea. Now for that, okay, Igbo Junction for Kwakama here. That place where you take Kutote. Get Potana Junction, okay, get Colote. And when I book you know, opposite your right, towards your left, okay, I'm booking name hot tea.
No.
I'm going towards there.
No, Chief, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about hotel.
Hotel. They can from your no leave. What you say me who to get your nail cut lock.
You know, that's what America did to me.
America like me, my brother. Oh, hotel, oh, you had the money and do for the holiday, and do hotel. So it's a Hana hotel, and go wow. I know where you go to. Hotel can come. Man, I would have one hotel around where my brother built. One beautiful. That place where they tell you, now there even some Nollywood actor like you, now there they come for realization, for rehabilitation, for comfortability, and for rehabilitativity.
Wow. Are you serious?
The name of the hotel is Rolling Hills Hotel.
Oh.
Yes, from that
I think I've heard about it.
You should have heard about it.
Yeah.
No actor where there for Nigeria where not they lodge there. Even me sometimes. About your family,
Oh, yeah.
From that Igbo Junction where you stop, you go see our signboard there. Okay. Now my brother get the hotel, I had to tell you. Igbo Junction, the signboard there in Akwakuma. There was your t-shirt. Let me take you there.
Are you serious?
You go like it.
Please take me there.
Go and see by yourself to yourself.
Yeah, thank you. Let's go.
This is the place. From the look of outside, you can imagine that inside they are very beautiful.
So beautiful.
When I sample die, yeah, now banner flesh. Say it.
Banner flesh.
Agla kishim. That one I like a kishim man. What do you want? Eleka will buy here. Banda here now. What to Baba Bidoche. Then here will room my very comfortable and comfortability. Room Sambra, maybe room where you be say, okay, like oh, the room you can be lodge. Yeah, the cable, my zero, look at it up. Yeah, we bed this rambra. Ebanana rambo. What do my nagger down from there? Get up the ancient new age. I will trade your kid to cheat the one. He told of bita saka. He will trade your cheat the one. He let cheat the cheat. Cheat the wooden walk up. So, okay, one hen and yoko. I wouldn't do when lift.
No, it's Lister.
Oh, what the hell? I don't like a money in your condition. He don't even correct the career. I'm done, don't I like in your condition.
It's okay.
You don't do anything in your condition. Get a restaurant and bank and an araka. You're the lady, you're not Arara. You might bring in a boat and they shall not force a track. So everything is here. That's the main hotel. Go. Oh, here you require Rolling Hills. Okay, what there? Aru.
Boy, anything you say goes.
I buy that side. They got proper money way. But I don't like to give them money for that. This is Rolling Hills Hotel. A beautiful place. For beautiful people and handsome men. Even I ain't get there. Rolling Hills Hotel. Yeah. White edifice.
Everything good.
Yes.
Everything good.
Yeah, we're going to security now. The good local. Many on go. Power station, 24-hour power. Good. Yeah. Hey!
Should I push it in?
No, push it out. Oh, good. Then attend to him. Oh, all right. Hey, not the one now. Not even take one. I'm going to man. You don't try take like other people. Okay, about that. After with a strong hand. Anyway, give your hand, my brother in his hotel. He have given me. All of us eat from him. Yeah.